In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw on Google Slides. Drawing on your slides is a great way to make your presentations more engaging. Whether you're underlining key points, sketching simple diagrams, or adding quick annotations during a live talk. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step, and I'll share some tips along the way so everything feels smooth and intuitive. First, open Google Slides in your browser and load the presentation you want to work on. You can either start with a blank presentation or open an existing one. Once your slide deck is open, make sure you're on the slide where you actually want to draw, since all the drawing tools will affect the currently selected slide. Next, look toward the top of the screen for the Insert menu on the toolbar. Click on Insert, and from the drop-down that appears, hover over or select the option labeled Line. This might sound like it only creates straight lines, but it's actually where Google keeps several drawing tools. When the Line menu expands, you'll see options like Line, Arrow, Elbow Connector, Curved Connector, Curve, Polyline, and Scribble. To draw freehand, choose Scribble. This is the tool that lets you draw more naturally with your mouse or trackpad, similar to sketching with a pen. Once Scribble is selected, move your cursor over the slide. Click and hold the mouse button, or press down on your trackpad, then drag to draw. As long as you keep holding, Google Slides will keep drawing your line. When you let go, that stroke is finished and becomes a shape you can edit, move, or resize. If you want cleaner, more precise shapes, you can instead choose Line, Arrow, or Curve from that same menu. For example, Line is perfect for underlining text or pointing to a specific area, while Arrow is handy for flowcharts or step-by-step diagrams. After you've drawn something, you can customize how it looks. Click on your drawing to select it. Then use the toolbar at the top to change the line color, thickness, and style. You can also drag the corners or edges to resize it, and click and drag in the middle to move it around the slide. If a line doesn't come out the way you like, simply press Backspace or Delete, then try again. Once you're happy with your drawings, they'll stay saved in your presentation automatically, just like any other element. That's all you need to start drawing on Google Slides and making your presentations more dynamic and visual.